1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
Hey YouTube, here we are with another Amazon unpacking. So let's get to it and see what we have for you guys today. What we have here is a 6800mAh portable charging case for the iPhone XR. The seller's name is going to be Trswyop. I'll include the link down below for the product, but let me go ahead and give you my first impressions of this item itself. The cover itself has a rubberized texture. It does allow you to have a good grip on it, so you are able to move it around in your hand without having to worry about it slipping away or falling away. Now, to charge this case, you will need an iPhone wire itself. The one that comes with your XR will work. Once you actually plug it in, the case itself will start charging. Now, the case does indicate its percentage in the rear by displaying 4 LEDs, each one representing approximately 0 to 25%. So the first light would be somewhere around 25%. The second light would be 50%, third light 75%. The last light would be an approximate 76 to 100%. Now we're going to go ahead and transition over to a couple videos of this case being used, as well as some of the results that I've received. Here's a video of how you actually insert it into the case. You actually push down from the top and slide it in at an angle, allowing the port to insert itself. Now, this case has a benefit that it actually has a power button that determines whether the case is on and off. Most other ones, once you put it in, it automatically starts up and does not give you an option to do so, and only activate it when you want to. This one actually does. So we started the charging process at 8:04 at 24%, and then at 9:09 it was actually all the way up to 63%. So in a span of about an hour, it went up approximately 40%, and the power pack actually still had about 75% left on the battery. Any additional questions, leave them down below, but for now, it's time for some slow motion fun.